Hi everyone, this is Mr. Woods. Today I want to talk about what do you need to know before you start 4th grade. This here is a number sense assessment. It's designed to test 3rd graders at the end of the year. However, I usually start it at the beginning of the year and then I give it at the end of the year to assess whether they're ready for 4th grade. First one, 1,628. Write the number in word form. And I used to write out 1,628. Write the number in expanded form, 1,000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 8. Number 2, write the value of the underlying number. I just see 6 here many times. It's 600. This is 20. This is 800. Number 3, write the numbers that belong in each box. 20, okay, there's 25, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Get it? Same thing here. This is one that's very fundamental. It's looking at, it's not using numbers per se to begin with. It's looking at these blocks. So this right here is equal to 1,000 because there's 10 of these 100 squares. So this is 1,000, 2,000, 100, 100, 100. There's 300, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. So that's 70 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what you write it down in standard form. Write the number in standard form. I have 5 tens, 11 ones, 2 hundreds. What number am I? Well, there's actually 5, 6 tens and 1 1 and 2 hundreds. Figure it out. Again, this is 3rd grade, end of year. Number sense assessment continued. Number 6, compare 2 whole numbers using greater than, less than, or equal to. 2637, 2637. That's equal. But what about this one here? A lot of times they transpose the 35 and the 53 and they call it equal. This comes down to reading and understanding what they're looking at. Order numbers from least to greatest. This has to do with vocabulary. If they don't understand what least and greatest means, then they're going to have a problem with this. Rounding. This is a basic thing that's gone over. In fact, there's this whole chapter that we're going on in this. And it's just one of these things where it's like 64, round to the nearest 10. Well, that's a 1 and that's a 10. That's going to be 60. Round to the nearest 10. Well, 5 or greater, raise the score, so this would be 70. I get a lot of times it's not 450 here. It'll be something else. It'll just be 50. They don't add on that, hey, wait a minute, this is part of a whole number. Shade the numbers that round to 500. Again, they have to understand which round to 500 were rounded to the nearest 100. So we have to look at the hundreds and then go next to it. That's not 500. This is 500, okay? And this is one that I really, really am surprised by every time. That's an odd number. That's an even number. And they look at it and they go, oh, well, the ones that start with an odd number is the odd number. No, it's the one that here at the trailing end. Work with your child to do that. If they don't have a good number sense, then they can't do this. Now, I do have these books called My Math Notes, and here, this is for 4th and 5th grade. This is one that I use to teach 4th and 5th grade. I have one that says My Math Notes for 3rd grade. However, if your child is going into 4th grade, I highly recommend that they get either this one or just the one that's just My Math Notes for 4th grade.